Last holiday rock painting design for 2024, and I'm going to show you how to make snowflake words. Really easy and really fast. I base coated my rock with Liquitex gesso, and now I'm giving it a nice coat of some metallic teal paint that has some solid frozen vibes. Since we're going to have snowflakes in these words, this color just seemed perfect for the design. The next thing I'm going to do is take a black Thule Art paint pen, and I'm going to write the word snow in script, but I'm going to skip where the letter O would go, and I'm just going to leave a space because that's where the snowflake's going to go. Then I'm going to come back through and thicken up all of my downstrokes anywhere that the pen was going in a downward motion so that we create some faux calligraphy with the black letters. Now I'm going to take my white Thule Art paint pen and I'm going to create my snowflakes. So I'm going to start by making a crisscross, and then I'm going to make even lines coming out of the center points of each of those lines so that we've got almost like an X in the middle, but they come out very even if you just place them in the middle of each of the lines. And I also want to make sure they're at the same length as each other. And then I'm going to create little triangles in between the center pieces of those crisscross lines, and this creates the beginning of our snowflake. Next, I'm going to make little tiny V's at the end of each one of those lines, and I'm going to leave the tip sticking out of the middle of my little V's. So just very simple little V's that create the tips of the snowflake, and then after this round, I'm going to come around and make a second set of V's, but I'm doing them one side at a time to make sure that I've got them evenly spaced and just so that they fit well. The last step is I'm going to take a dotting tool and some white paint and add a dot to the end of each one of those lines to just give a finishing touch to the snowflake. And of course I'm going to add the words "let it" because "let it snow" is a favorite phrase of the season. Then I'm going to take some dazzling teal holographic illusions glitter paint and a dotting tool, and I'm just going to go around the edge of the metallic teal paint that I painted onto the rock just to give a little extra sparkle and shine. It's a really easy design that works with print or script, and you could use any word that uses the letter O. What else can you think of? Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. I hope this gave you a good last-minute idea if you needed one. I hope you have the happiest of holidays surrounded by the people who love you most.
Merry Christmas, and don't forget to like and subscribe.